In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share chats in seconds with Grok AI. If you've ever found yourself needing to quickly share a conversation you had on Grok with a friend or colleague, then you're in the right place. We'll take just a few minutes to break down the simple steps to get your conversation shared seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to head over to Grok and log into your account. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials to access your account to avoid any hiccups before you even get started. If by any chance you have trouble logging in, check your internet connection or ensure that your login details are up to date. Once you're in, navigate to the conversation you want to share. This could be any chat that you feel is important or worth sharing, whether it's with another user or an external party. Browse through your conversation history, and once you find the one you're looking for, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, take a look at the conversation interface and focus on the top right corner. There, you'll find a share button. Click on it. This button is your gateway to sharing your conversation quickly and efficiently. Clicking on it will open up your sharing options. After you've clicked the share button, you'll be presented with a link. This is the link you'll use to share your chat. Simply copy it. The ease of copying and pasting this link ensures that you don't have to go through complex processes or deal with numerous complications. It's all about simplicity and efficiency. Now that you have the link copied, you can send it to someone else. You could paste this link into an email, a text message, or even through social media, depending on how you prefer to communicate. Just make sure it's sent to the right recipient. Once shared, the chat becomes accessible via that link. This means that anyone with that link can view the conversation, so it's important to share it only with trusted parties. Always keep in mind that while sharing is convenient, it's equally important to maintain the privacy and security of your information. And there you have it. You've just learned how to share chats in seconds with Grok AI. This fast, efficient method allows for seamless communication, whether you're collaborating on a project or simply sharing a memorable conversation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this out whenever you need to share a chat. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.